boys and girls, it's Mrs. Campbell. I'm going to read you a book tonight called Monster Money. It's about monsters with money. Do you think this is fiction or nonfiction? Well, if you said fiction, you're right, because monsters don't spend money, and monsters aren't even real, are they? It's written by Grace Maccarone, illustrated by Marge Hartelius. And this is about money, though. Money is real. And it's a book to teach you about counting pennies and nickels and dimes and quarters. Good morning, good morning. 10 cents for a pet. What kind of pets do you think monsters might have? A monster's best friend, which one will you get? 5 pennies and 1 nickel make 10 cents. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cents for a pet. Well, that monster bought a bug. 2 nickels are also 10 cents. 5, 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. 2 nickels buy a fly. 2 nickels buy a flea. I don't think I'd want to buy a fly or a flea, would you? 1 nickel and 5 pennies will buy a bee. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 dime is also worth 10 cents. It's equivalent to 10 pennies, but just 1 dime will buy a beetle. 1 dime buys a bat. That's not a very nice pet for a person, is it? 5 pennies and 1 nickel buy a rat. 5 pennies, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 cents is 1 nickel. That makes 10 cents. 10 pennies, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, buys a crab. I think I know why these pets are so cheap. Do you want a crab or a bat or a beetle? 2 nickels, 5, 10, buy a jellyfish. 1 nickel and 5 pennies buys a smelly fish. Here's the nickel, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 dime buys a jiggly thing. 10 pennies buys a wiggly thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cents. 5 pennies and 1 nickel buy a giggly thing. Giggly, giggly, giggly. That's 10 cents also. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Have you been practicing counting money at home? I hope so. 10 cents buys a pet, a monster's best friend. Take your pet home, because this is the end. So what I want you to do, boys and girls, is to ask your mom or dad if you can have some pennies. I have a little jar of coins on my dresser. Maybe they do too. Or they can look in their wallet or pocketbook and take some pennies and count them. And then, if you're really, really good with pennies, you can try taking a dime. Dimes are worth how much? 10 cents. So you can count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. You can count by tens when counting dimes. And practice counting. If you're counting nickels, nickels are worth 5 cents. There's Thomas Jefferson. So when you're counting nickels, you're going to count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20. And then a quarter is worth 25 cents. So when you're counting a quarter, you can say 25. 4 quarters equals $1 or 100 cents. So 1 quarter is worth 25 pennies. So keep practicing learning your coins so that when you get to first grade, you can wow your teacher with all the things you know. I know you're ready, and I can't wait to see you again. Be talking to you soon. Bye.